Okay, so yesterday we were looking at lesson 12.2 about angles and shapes and things like that. And so you were asked to do the odd questions. So for number 9, you were asked to say if the angle was a right angle, greater than, or less than a right angle. So look at number 9. It's even got that square there to help me. So it is a right angle, makes that perfect square. All right, number 11 has 1 right angle, 2 less than, and 0 greater than. Question 13 has 2 right angles, 1 less than, and 1 greater than in terms of types of angles. All right, 15 says Holly drew a shape that does not have a right angle. Which shape did she draw? The correct answer is letter D. So A, what do you need to know? Which shape Holly drew? Tell how might you have used a sheet of paper to solve the problem. And we already talked about the corners of a paper are all right angles. Makes that perfect L. All right, so shape A, and then we have to fill them in. So shape A has 2 right angles, 1 here, 1 here, 1 greater than, 1 less than. Shape B has 4 right angles, 0 greater than, 0 less than. Same thing with shape C, 4 right angles, 0 greater than, 0 less than. Shape D has 0 right angles, 2 greater than, and 2 less than. So that would mean shape D is correct. In question 17, which is a true statement about the shape? The correct answer is letter B. There are 2 right angles, which would be here and here, and 4 angles greater than. All right, let's look at lesson 12.3. We are continuing to do some work with shapes. So today we're talking about polygons and their sides. So a polygon is a closed shape that is made up of line segments that only meet at their endpoints, and each line segment is a side. Remember, we talked about line segments are straight, and they only meet at their endpoints. So we have a few different shapes. We need to circle all the words that describe the shape. So that means that more than one word could be circled. Is it a plane shape? Yes. Is it open? No. Is it closed? Yes. Do they have curved paths? Are there curved lines? Yes. Are there line segments? No. So if it doesn't have line segments, it cannot be a polygon. Looking at B, is it a plane shape? Yes. Is it an open shape? Yes. So it's not closed. Does it have curved paths? Yes. Any line segments? No. Not a polygon. C, plane shape. Yes. Not an open shape. It's a closed shape. No curved paths. It does have line segments, so it can be a polygon. D, plane shape, closed shape. It has curved paths, and it also has line segments. But because it also has curved paths, it cannot be a polygon. So, if we look at some other sentences, it says polygons are blank plane shapes. We use sometimes, always, or never. Polygons are always plane shaped. They are always closed shapes. They are never open, and they are sometimes polygons. So they're always plane shaped, they're always closed, they're never open, and they're sometimes polygons. So like here, it wasn't a polygon, but here it was a polygon. All right, So talking more about types of polygons. Some of these should look pretty familiar to you. So we have triangles, has 3 sides, 3 angles. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides, 4 angles. Pentagon, 5 sides, 5 angles. Hexagon, 6 sides, 6 angles. Octagon, 8 sides, 8 angles. And decagon, 10 sides, 10 angles. So I'm noticing that the amount of sides always matches the amount of angles. So, how many sides does the stop sign have here? Look it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many angles? What's the name of the shape? If it has 8, it is an octagon. And then underneath says the shape at the right is a polygon. Circle all the words. We know it's a plane shape. There are no curved paths. It is not open. It is closed. It has line segments. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means it's a quadrilateral. Okay. Do a few more. Question 2, is the shape of a polygon? Yes or no? For number 2, the answer is no, because it is an open shape. Not all the sides are connected. Question 3, yes, it's a plane shape. It has line segments. It's closed. No curved paths. Question 4, it has line segments. It is a plane shape, but because there is an opening, it's an open shape, it is not. All right. Number 5, let's write the number of sides and the number of angles. Then we need to name it. So it has 1, 2, 3 sides, 3 angles. So we know it's a triangle. Question 6 has 6 sides, also 6 angles. That's called a hexagon. Question 7, 5 sides, 5 angles, pentagon. All right, I want you to do the even, and then we'll check in tomorrow.